Why falls so rich spray, the fragrance from the bowers of the balmy flowers upon this festive day? Why from wood, the valve, do we hear sweet measure ringing, that does seem to be the singing of a chore of nightingales? Why in the grass below do birds start at the wind noises, unless their honeyed voices as they hope from bong to bong? Why should the spring that glow its crystalline murmur be tuning to the zephyrs mellow crooning as among the flowers it flows? Why seem to me more endearing, more fair than on other days? The dawn's enchanting face among red clouds appearing. The reason, dear mother, is they feast your day of bloom. The rose with its perfumes, the birds with its harmonies, and the spring that rings with laughter. Upon this joyful day, with its murmur seems to say, live happily ever after. And from that spring in the grove, now turn to hear the first note, that from my lute I emote to be a blur of my love.